Imagine a world where artificial intelligence not only assists doctors but also revolutionizes the very fabric of medical technology. But here's the catch. How do we protect these groundbreaking innovations? The process of patenting AI-driven medical devices is a complex labyrinth, filled with challenges that can deter even the most determined inventors. First, let's tackle the heart of the issue: the uniqueness of AI. Traditional patent law is built on the premise of tangible inventions, but AI operates in a realm of algorithms and data. This creates a gray area. How do you patent something that learns and evolves? The key lies in demonstrating that your AI solution is not just a mere application of existing technology, but a novel invention that provides a unique solution to a medical problem. One effective strategy is to focus on the specific application of your AI technology. Instead of trying to patent the AI itself, concentrate on the innovative way it interacts with medical devices. For instance, if your AI analyzes patient data to predict health risks, detail how this process is distinct from existing methods. Highlight the unique algorithms, the datasets used, and the outcomes achieved. This specificity can make your patent application much stronger. Next, consider the importance of collaboration. Partnering with medical professionals not only enhances your device's credibility, but also provides invaluable insights into real-world applications. This collaboration can lead to unique features that set your device apart, making it easier to argue for its patentability. Now let's talk about the regulatory landscape. Navigating the FDA's approval process can be daunting, but it's essential for patenting your device. A well-documented regulatory pathway can bolster your patent application by demonstrating that your invention is not only innovative, but also safe and effective. Don't overlook the importance of intellectual property strategy. Filing for a provisional patent can give you a head start, allowing you to secure your invention while you refine it further. This approach provides a safety net as you continue to develop your technology and seek funding or partnerships. Finally, let's address the future. As AI continues to evolve, so too will the legal framework surrounding it. Staying informed about changes in patent law and emerging technologies is crucial. Engage with legal experts who specialize in intellectual property and AI to ensure your innovations remain protected. In conclusion, the journey of patenting AI-driven medical devices is challenging but not insurmountable. By focusing on the unique applications of your technology, fostering collaborations, navigating regulatory requirements, and developing a solid intellectual property strategy, you can successfully protect your innovations. The future of medicine is bright, and with the right approach, your contributions can lead the way. Take action now and be a part of this transformative journey in healthcare.